Hello everyone, welcome to Premium Math. Today I am going to teach you how to find unit digit of any number or any expressions. So we will be covering digits from 0 to 9. If you watch this full video, you will be able to solve any question related to unit digit. So first we will start with digit 9. For example, find a unit digit in 9 raised to 9 raised to 9. This is step 4. Always calculate step 4 from top to bottom. Now here there is a shortcut. Unit digit in 9 raised to 1. 9 raised to 1 is 9. So unit digit is 9. Unit digit in 9 square, we already know 9 square is 81. So unit digit is 1. How to find unit digit in 9 square? 9 into 9, 81. 1 is the unit digit. Same way, 9 cube, it is 729. Unit digit is 9. But if you don't know, 9 cube means 9 square into 9. 9 square into 9 is 9 cube. So, unit digit in 9 square is 1. 1 into 9 is unit digit in 9 cube, which is 9. Same way, 9 raised to 4 means 9 cube into 9. 9 cube into 9 is 9 raised to 4. So, unit digit in 9 cube is 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So, 1 is the unit digit in 9 raised to 4. Same way, 9 raised to 5. Unit digit in 9 raised to 4 is 1. 1 into 9 is 9. So 9 is the unit digit in 9 raised to 5. 9 raised to 6. 9 raised to 6 means 9 raised to 5 into 9. So unit digit in 9 raised to 5 is 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So 1 is the unit digit in 9 raised to 6. Now you can see the pattern. Actually, if you know the concept, you just have to understand 9 raised to 1, 9, 9 square 1. So this will repeat 919191. This will repeat, which means here you can see pattern for 9. 9 raised to any odd number. 9 raised to any odd number. Unit digit is 9. 9 raised to any even number. 9 raised to any even number. Unit digit is 1. So just remember this pattern, you don't need this thing. 9 raised to odd number is unit digit 9. 9 raised to even number, unit digit is 1. So if you understand this concept, you can solve this very faster, within seconds, few seconds. So here our question is, find the unit digit in 9 raised to 9 raised to 9. So first look at this 9 raised to 9, which is an infinite number. So if you solve this 9 raised to 9, 9 raised to 9 means an infinite number, but 9 raised to 9 means 9 is an odd number. This is an odd number, so unit digit will become 9. Again, this infinite number is an odd number. Again 9 raised to odd number means unit digit is 9. So unit digit is 9 here. Unit digit is 9 here. In this pattern you can solve all the question related to digit 9. All the unit digit question related to digit 9. 9 raised to odd number is 9. 9 raised to even number is 1. Same way, unit digit in 1729 raised to 32. Here unit digit in 1729 is 9. So to find unit digit in this one, just find the unit digit of 9 raised to 32. Here 32 is an even number. 9 raised to any even number, unit digit is 1. 9 square is 81, so unit digit is 1 here. And 1789 raised to 79. Here 9 raised to 79 means here 79 is an odd number. So 9 raised to any odd number, unit digit is equal to 9. 9 raised to 1 is 9. And also 1729 raised to 81 plus 1829 raised to 72. Find the unit digit. Here 9 raised to odd, unit digit is equal to 9. And 9 raised to even number, unit digit is equal to 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10, which means here unit digit in this expression is 0. Also 1739 raised to 8 into 1729 raised to 51 into 1789 raised to 34. Find the unit digit in this expression. Here 9 raised to 8 means 9 raised to even number. Then unit digit is equal to 1. Here we have into in between these terms. So use the multiplication. Again 9 raised to 51. 51 is an odd number. So 9 raised to odd number means 9 is the unit digit. Again here 9 raised to even number. So 9 raised to even number means unit digit is equal to 1. 1 into 9 into 1 means 9 is the unit digit in this expression. In this way, even if it is plus, in between plus, minus or into, you can use the same concept. Now we have learnt about digit 9. I will club digit 4 into it. That is, unit digit in 4 raised to 1 is 4 and unit digit in 4 square is 16. So 6 is the unit digit. Now 4 cube means 4 square into 4 is 4 cube. Unit digit in 4 square is 6. So 6 into 4 is 24. So 4 is the unit digit in 4 cube. Same way 4 raised to 4. 4 cube into 4 is 4 raised to 4. Unit digit in 4 cube is 4. Then 4 into 4, 16. So 6 is the unit digit in 4 raised to 4. You can see the pattern. Here 4 raised to 1, unit digit is 4. So 4 square means 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 4, 24. 4 into 4, 16. Next again 6 into 4, 24. 4 into 4, 16. So this pattern will repeat. That's why I club 4 and 9. Property is same. 4 raised to any odd number. Unit digit is 4. 4 raised to any even number. Unit digit is 6. So if you know the property, you can ignore the remaining thing. Here 4 raised to 1 is 4 and 4 square is 16. You already know. No need to memorize. 4 raised to odd number 4. 4 raised to even number 6. Now find the unit digit in 1624 raised to 36. You can see here 1624. In 1624, 4 is the unit digit. So 4 raised to 36. Find unit digit in 4 raised to 36 to find the answer. Here 36 is an even number. So 4 raised to even number, 6 is the unit digit. So here unit digit is equal to 6. Now, (1734) raised to 64 plus 1824 raised to 32. You can see here both are even number. Both are even number. So in 4 raised to 64, unit digit is equal to 6 and 4 raised to 32, unit digit is 6. So 6 plus 6, 12, which means unit digit in this expression is 2. If it is into between this expression, this will become 6 into 6. So unit digit will become 6. 6 into 6 is 36. So unit digit will become 6. Now if it is minus between them, you can see if it is something, some number is here and here also some number is here, but ending with 6, here also ending with 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So unit digit is 0. So in this way you can calculate. Here we learnt about digits 4 and 9. We can club it into the category of odd and even. Now we can club these 4 numbers together. 0, 1, 5 and 6. Digit 0, 1, 5 and 6. 0 raised to any number, unit digit will become 0. We already know. 1720. Here 1720 raised to any number means 0 raised to any number. So unit digit is 0. Same way 1721. 1 raised to any number. 1 raised to any number. Unit digit is 1. So 1721 raised to 344 means 1 raised to 34. 344 unit digit is 1. So 0 and 1 fixed. 0 raised to any number, unit digit is 0. 1 raised to any number, unit digit is 1. 0 and 1 over. Now we can have 5 and 6. 5 raised to 1. Unit digit is 5. 5 square is 25. So 5 into 5, 25. 5 is the unit digit. 5 cube is 5 into 5, 25 here again. 5 raised to 4 means 5 into 5, 25. 5 is here again. Which means 5 raised to any number. 5 raised to any number. Unit digit is 5. Unit digit is 5. Now if you look at 6 raised to 1. Unit digit is 6. 6 square 36. Unit digit is 6. 6 cube means 6 into 6. Again 36 here. 6 raised to 4. 6 into 6. Again 36 here. 6 raised to 5. 6 into 6. Again 36 here. So 6 raised to any number. 6 raised to any number. Unit digit is 6. So 0, 1, 5 and 6 fixed. 0 raised to any number, unit digit is 0. 1 raised to any number, unit digit is 1. 5 raised to any number, unit digit is 5. And 6 raised to any number, unit digit is 6. So club 0, 1, 5 and 6 together, which are fixed. And club 4 and 9 together, which are based on odd even property. Now we have 2, 3, 7 and 8, only 4 number. And these 4 numbers have cyclicity, which is also simple. Now based on this property, we can find unit digit in 14 raised to 15 raised to 16 raised to 17. That is, if you look at this, you can ignore this 16 raised to 17. Because here 5 raised to any number, 5 raised to any number, unit digit is 5. 5 raised to any number. Here 16 raised to 17 is an infinite number. So 16 raised to 17 an infinite number means here 15 raised to that infinite number. Unit digit is 5. 5 raised to any number is unit digit is 5. So this is like 14 raised to 5. There is a number, infinite number, but which ending with 5. This infinite number ending with 5. So 14 raised to 5 means 4 raised to odd number. 4 raised to odd number means unit digit is 4. Same way, if you look at 19 raised to 20 raised to 21 raised to 17. Here it doesn't matter. Here 1 raised to any number, unit digit is 1. 0 raised to any number, unit digit is 0. And here we have 9 raised to even number. Unit digit is 1. Now we have 4 numbers, 4 digits remaining. 2, 3, 7 and 8. See, these 4 numbers have cyclicity of 4. Cyclicity of 4. I will explain about this cyclicity when I solving these problems. So, if you look at this question, find the unit digit in 8 raised to 165 into 7 raised to 39 into 14 raised to 79 into 6 raised to 60. Here, in the case of 4 and 6, we already know the answer. 6 raised to any number, 6 is the unit digit. And 4 raised to odd number. 14 raised to 79 means 4 raised to odd number. Unit digit means 4 raised to 1 is 4. So, unit digit is 4 in 4 raised to odd number. Now, we have 8 and 7 remaining. So, first we look at 7. 7 raised to 1. Unit digit is 7. 7 square is 49. Unit digit is 9. 7 cube means 7 square into 7. 7 square into 7 is 7 cube. So, unit digit in 7 square is 9 and here we have 7. So 9 into 7 is 63. So 3 is the unit digit in 7 cube. 9 into 7 is 63. So 3 is the unit digit in 7 cube. Same way, 7 raised to 4. 7 cube into 7 is 7 raised to 4. 7 cube into 7 is 7 raised to 4. Unit digit in 7 cube is 3, and here we have 7. So 3 into 7 is 21. Unit digit in 7 raised to 4 is 1. Same way, if you look at 7 raised to 5, 1 into 7, 7. That is 7 raised to 4 into 7 is 7 raised to 5. So 1 into 7 is 7. Then 7 raised to 6. 7 into 7, 49. 9 is the unit digit. 7 raised to 7 means 9 into 7, 63. 3 is the unit digit. 7 raised to 8 means 3 into 7, 21. 1 is the unit digit. You can see 7, 9, 3, 1 repeated. 7, 9, 3, 1 repeated. Which means 7 has a cyclicity of 4. 7 has a cyclicity of 4. That means 7 raised to 4n. 7 raised to 4n. Unit digit in 7 raised to 4n is always 1. Always 1. You can write power of 7 as multiple of 4. Then the unit digit will become 1. Because 7 raised to 4 is 1. Here you can see 7 raised to 8 is 1. This 8 means 4 into 2. So 7 raised to 4 into any number. Unit digit become 1. So this is the property of 7. Now don't write 7 raised to 3n. This is wrong. Always write 7 raised to 4n. Then unit digit will become 1. Don't write 2n, 3n or something like that. Only write 7 raised to 4n. 7 raised to 4n means because here 7 has a cyclicity of 4. That's why 7 raised to 4n, unit digit is 1. With this property we can solve 7 raised to 39. Unit digit in 7 raised to 39. Now 7 raised to 39 I can write it as 39. I can write it as 4 into 9 is 36. This is 39. So 36 plus 3 is 39. So we can write 39 as 4 into 9 plus 3. Now this is in the form of a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Here bases are same. Look at this, 7 raised to m plus n. So I can write it as 7 raised to 4 into 9 is m. Here 4 into 9 is m into 7 raised to 3. 7 raised to 36 into 7 cube is 7 raised to 39. Now here this is in the form of 4n. 4 into any number. So unit digit in 7 raised to 4 into 9. 7 raised to 36 is 1. Unit digit in 7 raised to 4n is 1. And unit digit in 7 cube. Unit digit in 7 cube is 3. Which means unit digit in 7 raised to 39 is 1 into 3, 3. So here we have 3. Now we have to find unit digit in 8 raised to 165. To find that, we have to find the cyclicity of 8. Unit digit in 8 raised to 1 is 8, and unit digit in 8 square is 64. So 4 is the unit digit. Then 8 cube. 4 into 8, 32. 2 is the unit digit. 8 raised to 4. 2 into 8, 16. 6 is the unit digit. Again, 8 raised to 5. 6 into 8, 48. Again, we start with 8. When we start with 8, we can stop it there. Because this is gonna repeat. 8, 4, 2, 6 gonna repeat. When we start, here we start with 8. Then we have 8, 4, 2, 6. Again we start with 8 means we can stop it there. Because 8 raised to 6, unit digit will become 4. 8 raised to 7, unit digit will become 2. 8 raised to 8, unit digit will become 6. because here you can see 8 into 8, 64, 4 is the unit digit, 4 into 8, 32, 2 is the unit digit, 2 into 8, 16, 6 is the unit digit. Again 6 into 8, 48, 8 is the unit digit. Again 8 will start. So we can stop it there. So 8 has a cyclicity of 4, 8, 4, 2, 6. 8 has a cyclicity of 4. Here cyclicity is 4 means we can write 8 raised to 4n. We can write 8 as 8 raised to 4n. Then unit digit in 8 raised to 4n will become 6. Because 8 has a cyclicity of 4. We can't write it as 8 raised to 3n or 8 raised to 2n. This is wrong. Because 8 has a cyclicity of 4. Which means 8 raised to 4n unit digit is 6. Now 8 raised to 165. I can write it in the form of 8 raised to 4n. So 8 raised to, here 165 divided by 4. Divide 165 with 4. Then I can write it in the form of 4n. So 4 into, here if you divide 165 with 4, 4 goes 4 times in 16. Remaining we have 5. So 4 goes 1 time in 5. Remaining we have, remainder is 1. 41 into 4 is 164. 164 plus 1 is 165. 41 into 4 is 164. 41 into 4 is 164. 164 plus 1 is 165. So we can write 8 raised to 165 as 8 raised to 4 into 41 plus 1. Now here this is like a raised to m plus n. Just look at the plus or minus sign between this. Now this is m term, this is n term. So split it. 8 raised to m, that is 8 raised to 4 into 41. 8 raised to 164 into 8 raised to 1. Same base. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now here 8 raised to 4n format. So unit digit in 8 raised to 4n is always 6. Always 6. Which means here we have 6 as unit digit and unit digit in 8 raised to 1 is 8. So 6 into 8 is 48 means unit digit in 8 raised to 165 is 8. So here we have 8. Now we have solved it. You can see 8 into 3, 24. In 24 we have unit digit 4. 4 into 4, 16. 6 is the unit digit. 6 into 6, 36. So again 6 is the unit digit in this expression. Or 6 into 4, 24. 4, 4 into 3, 12. 2, 2 into 8, 16, 6. So in this expression 6 is the unit digit. Here we know about 7 and 8, digit 7 and 8. Now we have 2 and 3. So we will solve 2 and 3 while solving these questions. Here 4 raised to even number. 4 raised to even number. 4 square is 16. So 4 raised to even number, unit digit is 6. Now we have 593 raised to 23 means find the unit digit in 3 raised to 23. So for that we have to find the cyclicity of 3. Here 3 raised to 1, unit digit is 3. 3 square is 9, unit digit is 9. And 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 square into 3 is 3 cube. 3 square into 3 is 3 cube. Which means unit digit in 3 cube is equal to 9 into 3, 27. 7 is the unit digit in 3 cube. Here in 3 square, unit digit is 9. Here we have 3. 9 into 3, 27. 7 is the unit digit in 3 cube. Same way 3 raised to 4. 3 cube into 3 is 3 raised to 4. So unit digit in 3 cube is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. 1 is the unit digit in 3 raised to 4. Now 3 raised to 5. 1 into 3. 3 is the unit digit in 3 raised to 5. Now here we have 3 and we started with 3. Which means we can end this here. Because 3 raised to 6 unit digit will become 9. And here this 7 1 will repeat. That is 3971 will repeat in the next cycle. 3 raised to 7 unit digit is 7. 3 raised to 8 unit digit is 1. Again 3971 will repeat. That is, here 3 has a cyclicity of 4. 3 has a cyclicity of 4. Unit digit in 3 raised to 4n. Unit digit in 3 raised to 4n is 1. In 3 raised to 4n, unit digit is 1. Now 3 raised to 23, I can write it as 3 raised to 4 into. Here 4 into 5 is 20. Remaining is 3. So 4 into 5 plus 3 is 23 here. Now this is like a raised to m plus n. That is, here we have plus sign. So check the numbers left and right to it. Here in left we have 4 into 5. Right we have 3. So this is m and this is n. So we can write it as 3 raised to 4 into 5 into 3 raised to 3. That is a raised to m into a raised to n. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. That is same base. Same base. Now in 3 raised to 4n, 4 into any number. In power we have 4 into any number, which means in 3 raised to 4n we have unit digit 1. We have unit digit 1. In 3 raised to 4n we have unit digit 1. So 3 raised to 20 unit digit is 1, and here in 3 cube we have unit digit 7. In 3 cube you have unit digit 7. So 1 into 7 is 7, means 3 raised to 23 unit digit is 7, which means here answer is 7 into 6, 42. So 2 is the unit digit in this expression. Here don't write 3 raised to 3n or 3 raised to 2n. This is wrong. You can only write 3 raised to 4n, then you can find the unit digit. Now, here in this expression, find the unit digit in 3 raised to 132 plus 131 into 3 raised to 531 plus 9 raised to 132 into 46. Unit digit in 46 is 6 into, here 9 raised to even number. 9 square is 81, so 9 raised to even number is 1. Here 3 raised to 531. We have to find it. Now in 131 you have unit digit 1. Here plus 3 raised to 132. If you look at this, in 132, 32 is the last 2 digit, which is divisible by 4. So this 132 whole number is divisible by 4. So I can write it as 3 raised to 4 in format. Now unit digit in 3 raised to 4n means 3 raised to 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, so unit digit is 7. 3 raised to 4 is 7 into 3, again 21. So 1 is the unit digit in 3 raised to 4n. So I can write this 3 raised to 132 as unit digit in 3 raised to 132 as 1, because this 132 is a multiple of 4. Now I can write this 3 raised to 531 as, if you look at this, if you divide it with 4, 4 goes 1 time in 5, 4 goes 3 times in 12, again remaining is 11. 4 goes 2 times in 8 and remaining is 3. So 3 is the remainder here. So I can write it as 3 raised to 4n plus 3, which means in 3 raised to 4n 1 into in 3 cube 7. So here in 3 raised to 531 unit digit is 7. So this whole expression unit digit become 1 plus 7 plus 6, which is equal to 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6 14. So 4 is the unit digit in this expression. Now only digit 2 is remaining. Here find the unit digit in 352 raised to 72 into 2 raised to 90. For that we have to find cyclicity of 2. Here 2 raised to 1, unit digit is 2. 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8 and 2 raised to 4. 8 into 2 is 16. So 6 is the unit digit in 2 raised to 4. In 2 cube, unit digit is 8. So 2 raised to 4 means 2 cube into 2. So 8 into 2, 16. 6 is the unit digit. Again 2 raised to 5. We already know it is 32. But here 6 into 2, 12. So 2 is the unit digit. So we start with 2. Now we have again 2. Which means we can stop it here. Because 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 8. If you write unit digit of these, this will be 2486. 2486. when here we started with 2, which means if you again get 2, you can stop it there because 2, 4, 8, 6, this cycle is gonna repeat. So for the next 4 numbers, 2, 4, 8, 6 is the unit digit. Then again for the next numbers, 2, 4, 8, 6 is the next cycle. So here cyclicity of 2 is again 4, which means we can write 2 raised to 4n format. That is, unit digit in 2 raised to 4n is 6. Unit digit in 2 raised to 4n is 6, which means you can solve this question with this 2 raised to 4n concept. Now we can find unit digit in 2 raised to 72 and in 2 raised to 90. Here 72 is a multiple of 4. So I can directly write it in the format of 2 raised to 4n. So 2 raised to 4 into 18 is 72, which means this is in the format of 2 raised to 4n. In 2 raised to 4n, 4 into any number n, unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. So here unit digit 6. Now we have to find unit digit in 2 raised to 90. Here 90 I can write it as 4 into 22 is 88. Divide 90 with 4. You will get an integer 22. 22 point something. So 4 into 22 is 88. Remaining is 2. Now this is in the format of a raised to m plus n. Same base. So write it as, split it as 2 raised to 4 into 22 into 2 square. Here this is m and this is n. So a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Now in 2 raised to 4n, unit digit is 6, and in 2 square unit digit is 4. So 6 into 4 is 24, means unit digit is 4 here. In 2 raised to 90, unit digit is 4. So 6 into 4 is 24 again. So unit digit is 4 in this expression. Now we have covered all the digits. Like here 4 and 9, we can club it together for odd even property. And 0, 1, 5 and 6 fixed. Numbers are fixed. Now remaining is 2, 3, 7 and 8. Here 2, 3, 7, 8. These 4 numbers has cyclicity of 4. That is, we can write it in the format of 2 raised to 4n, 3 raised to 4n, 7 raised to 4n and 8 raised to 4n. So with this property we can solve this question again. Here 3 raised to 4n. 3 raised to 4n means check the cyclicity of 3. 3 raised to 1 is 3. 3 square 9. 3 cube. 9 into 3 27. Again 7 into 3 is 21. So 1 is the unit digit in 3 raised to 4n. So here this is 1. And 4 raised to 2n. 2n is even. If you multiply any number with 2, that number will become even. So here 4 raised to even number means 4 square is 16. So 6 is the unit digit in 4 raised to even number. Now 5 raised to any number, unit digit is 5. 6 raised to any number, unit digit is 6. And here 9 raised to 2n. Remember, here if it is n, this will become uncertain because we don't know whether 9 raised to n is even or odd. So here 9 raised to 2n is even because it's multiplied with 2. 2 into any number will become even number. So here this is 9 raised to even number, means 9 square is 81. So 1 is the unit digit. If it is 9 raised to n, this question will become uncertain because we don't know whether n is even or not. Here it is 2n. So this is even. If it is n, we can't solve this question. So here unit digit will become, unit digit in this expression become 1 into 6 is 6, 6 into 5 30. 0 is the unit digit. 0 into 6 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. So unit digit will become 0 in this expression. Now one more example, like if it is like 3 raised to 4n minus 4 raised to 2n. Then find unit digit in 3 raised to 4n minus 4 raised to 2n. Here you can see in 3 raised to 4n unit digit is 1 minus in 4 raised to 2n unit digit is 6. So 1 minus 6, we can't write it as minus 5. 1 minus 6 means here we have some number. So ending with 1. Now to subtract 6 from this one, we have to borrow 1 from here. So this will become 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5, which means unit digit in this expression is 5. 11 minus 6, 5. Watch this full video, then you will be able to solve any question regarding unit digit. Now we have one important question. This is quite tricky. Find the unit digit in 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus etc. up to 50 factorial. Here 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is equal to 1 into 2, which is 2. And 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. And 4 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which is 6 into 4, 24. And 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is 24 into 5, 120. Now you can see in 5 factorial we have unit digit 0. Now 6 factorial, I can write it as 5 factorial into 6. So 120 into 6 means unit digit is 0. Again 7 factorial, I can write it as 5 factorial into 6 into 7, which means 120 into 42. Again unit digit is 0. In 8 factorial, you have 5 factorial into 6 into 7 into 8. Again 120 into some number, unit digit is 0. Which means from 5 factorial onwards, you can write every factorial in terms of 5 factorial. 50 factorial means 5 factorial into 6 into 7 into up to 50. So 120 into product of some number, which is equal to unit digit 0. So from 5 factorial onwards, from 5 factorial plus 6 factorial plus etc. up to 50 factorial. Sum of this term, unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. Sum of this term. So here we have 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, and in 4 factorial unit digit is 4. Now 5 factorial plus 6 factorial plus 7 factorial up to 50 factorial unit digit is 0. Which means here 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So unit digit is 3 in these terms. So 3 plus 0, unit digit is 3 in this expression. Finally, we can solve all these questions using this same technique. Here, find a unit digit in 324 raised to 721 plus 323 raised to 337 minus 327 raised to 726. So just find the unit digit of 4 raised to 721, 3 raised to 337 and 7 raised to 726. Here, we can all write this 3 and 7 in 3 raised to 4 and 7 raised to 4 and format. Here 4 raised to odd number. 4 raised to odd number, unit digit is 4. 4 raised to 1 is 4. Plus, here 3 raised to 337. So write it as 3 raised to 4 in format. Now 4 goes 8 times in 32, remaining 1. 4 goes 4 times in 16. So remainder is 1 here. Remainder is 1 here. So I can write it as 3 raised to 4n plus 1. 3 raised to 4n plus 1. I can write 3 raised to 337 as 3 raised to 4n plus 1 format. Which means here in 3 raised to 4n, the unit digit is equal to, in 3 raised to 1 it is 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, again 3 raised to 4 is equal to 7 into 3 21. So 3 raised to 4n, unit digit is 1. So 1 into 3, 1 into 3. Here this is equal to 3 raised to 4n into 3 raised to 1. So here 3 raised to 4n it is 1 and in 3 raised to 1 it is 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. In 3 raised to 337, 3 is the unit digit. Now let's check with 7 raised to 726. I can also write it in form of 7 raised to 4n. Here 7 raised to 726. 72 is a multiple of 4. Now remaining is 6. So 4 goes 1 time in 6. Which means Here remainder must be 2. So I can write it as 7 raised to 4n plus 2, which means 7 raised to 4n into 7 square. In 7 raised to 1 it is 7, 7 square it is 49, 9 into 7 is 63, 3 into 7 is 21. Again in 7 raised to 4n, unit digit is 1. So 1 into 9. 9 is the unit digit in 7 raised to 726. Now if you look at this, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 means 17 minus 9, which is 8. So unit digit in first expression is 8. Next is 732 raised to 412 into 799 raised to 431. So 2 raised to 412 into 9 raised to 431 we have to find. Here 9 raised to odd number. Unit digit is equal to 9. And here 2 raised to 412. Here write 2 raised to 412 in terms of 2 raised to 4n. 412 is a multiple of 4. Actually this 12 is a multiple of 4. So 412 is a multiple of 4. Which means in 2 raised to 4n, what is unit digit in 2 raised to 4n? 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 cube is 8 and 2 raised to 4 is equal to 8 into 2, 16. So 6 is the unit digit. So in 2 raised to 4n, our unit digit is 6. 6 into 9 is 54. So 4 is the unit digit in second expression. Now in third expression, here just multiply 1 with 1. Here unit digit is 1. Here unit digit is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Into here unit digit is 5. Here it is 7. 5 into 7 is 35. 5 is the unit digit. Again into here 4 is the unit digit and 3 is the unit digit. 4 into 3 is 12. So 2 is the unit digit. So 1 into 5 into 2. 5 into 2, 10. So this is equal to 0. 0 is the unit digit in third expression. So in this way you can find unit digit of any question, any expression. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you find it helpful, please share this video to your friends.